In this video, we're going to talk about what happened after 1945. Basically, we're going to talk about Cold War from 1945 to 1991. And for the context, we need to know what happened in 1945 and why is that year so important. 1945, a year to remember. World War II khatam ho gayi thi when Germany surrendered on 7th May and with US dropping first ever atomic bombs on Hiroshima and Nagasaki. Khair, World War II was ended, UN was established with 51 countries signing the UN Charter. But what the world didn't know is that it's going to enter a new phase of history which is not even close to normal at all. Cold War का नाम सुनते ही एक नॉर्मल इंसान के दिमाग में यही आता है, the war is with weapons and militaries on the borders of the states involved. But the Cold War was nothing like that. It was an ideological war between the two emerging superpowers of the time. The world was divided into two blocks. US-led Western Bloc and USSR-led Eastern Bloc. Soviet Union and Russia of current time was working for the spread of revolutionary communism, and US Western Bloc was working to prevent the spread of communism while advocating for democratic capitalism. Now, what is capitalism and communism? These are socio-economic models in which communism talks about a classless society. This concept was introduced by Karl Marx. इसमें जितने भी means of productions और resources होंगे, that would be owned by the state. कोई प्राइवेट ओनरशिप नहीं होगी एंड द स्टेट विल डिवाइड ऑल द रिसोर्सेज इक्वली टू एवरीवन. और कार्ल मार्क्स ने जिस टाइम पे कंसेप्ट इंट्रोड्यूस करवाया था उस टाइम पे इंडस्ट्रियल रेवोल्यूशन वाला टाइम चल रहा था एंड एज वी ऑल नो उस टाइम के जो इंडस्ट्री ओनर्स थे दे वर गेटिंग टू मच प्रॉफिट एंड द लेबर्स वर ऑन लो वेजेस फॉर ईयर्स. इसकी एग्जाम्पल ये भी हो सकती है कि एक ऐसी सोसाइटी हो जहाँ पे डज नॉट मैटर कि आप कितनी मेहनत कर रहे हैं, आपको आपकी ज़रूरत के मुताबिक हर चीज़ प्रोवाइड की जाएगी बाय द स्टेट बट नो लग्जरीज ऑब्वियसली. जिसके बरक्स कैपिटलिज्म टॉक्स अबाउट प्राइवेट ownership, access to free market, and a free will to buy whatever one wants.